At JBMI, aluminium recycling isn't just our business, it's our passion. For over 45 years, we've been at the forefront of the industry, delivering high-quality, secondary aluminium ingot to a range of sectors. But efficiency, reliability and sustainability have always been our core values. To take our operations to the next level, we needed the right partner. That's where Air Products stepped in.
At Air Products, our goal is to support our customers in achieving their environmental and operational targets. We introduced smart technology to JBMI's rotary furnace system. This wasn't just about upgrading hardware, it was about adding intelligence to the process. Traditionally, operators relied on their experience to determine when to tap the furnace, but this varied, leading to inconsistencies in energy use, production time and product quality.
With smart technology, that process became automated and data-driven. Now the system monitors key parameters in real time, ensuring precision and consistency across all shifts. The results speak for themselves: reduced production time, lower energy consumption per tonne, and a decrease in CO2 emissions.
What sets this apart is the system's ability to learn over time. It not only identifies inefficiency, but also optimises the process based on data-driven insights. Beyond the furnace, we've expanded monitoring capabilities to include flow skids and other critical components. This allows JBMI to remotely diagnose and resolve issues before they cause downtime, improving overall system uptime and operational efficiency.
We've also integrated smart technology, another tool from Air Products. This helps our operators through troubleshooting and performance optimization, offering tailored advice based on the data collected.
The combination of smart technology has given JBMI a complete end-to-end system for managing production. It's no longer just about reacting to problems as they arise. Now it's about anticipating issues and continuously improving performance. This shift to predictive maintenance and real-time adjustments has significantly reduced waste and improved the bottom line.
Our partnership with Air Products has revolutionised the way we work. We're operating more efficiently, reducing costs and lowering our environmental impact. Together, we've moved JBMI closer to our goal of a more sustainable, smarter future. And this is just the beginning. We're excited to continue our work with Air Products and reach even greater milestones in the future.